Okay guys, this is the first step. You need to first install Node.js, and you can install Node.js from this link given, that is nodejs.org, and you just need to go to this download section, and according to your system, the operating system you are using, whether it is Windows, whether it is Mac OS, you can get its architecture, whether you are using a 32-bit architecture or you're using a 64-bit architecture. You can just click on the MSI installer, and according to your requirement it will get installed, and it will first get downloaded. After that it will get installed. And guys, just trust me on this, the installation is very simple. In this video I'll not be showing you the installation because I've already installed it in my system. And you just need to install it. There's no prerequisite for the installation that you need to go to the environmental variables or system variables. Node.js, this module, it will itself get configured in your system, but you have to remember whether it is for a 32-bit or a 64-bit. And as soon as that particular things get installed, I'll be showing you. You just need to go to your CMD, right? And if you'll be writing here node hyphen v, there's a version. You can just see a version has been reflected. So this signifies that your node module, or instead, in fact, sorry, not in fact, your node has been installed. So you are ready and you are up for programming. So guys, I've already created a um, folder here that is known as node beginner, and you can just see it's a blank folder, right? I'm using VS Code. It's my text editor. There is nothing inside the folder. It's totally blank. So I need to install Node.js. I need to program with Node.js, right? So the first command which I'll be telling Node is npm init. So and as soon as I hit npm init, you can just see a package.json file will be created in my left side panel. What is package.json? Package.json is all the plugins, all the modules which our project, Node.js project, has been used, or which you will be using in this project details. So the first thing is first, description will be coming. This is the thing, package.json. Package name is beginner. Version is this. Description is this. Right? Just go enter, 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 enter. Now just go here, write your author name. I'll be writing your code in. Alright, now enter. A particular license has been generated, and this is the full package.json. And after that we'll be using this package.json in our Node.js modules. So you can just see in my left side panel, a package.json file has been generated. It consists all the requirements, description of a particular app or the project which we are going to build, right? Now we have to generate node modules. So let's see what are node modules. In short, node modules means the plugins, the small filter, the files which is required by our project. So node modules is this. So npm install express and nodemon. I'll tell you what is nodemon in my upcoming videos, right? And let me install this. Guys, the installation is completely depending on your system speed as well as your internet speed. So it will take time, but don't worry. The particular thing is very easy for you. Just you need to install Express and Nodemon. Though I'll be not showing you about Express. In the CRUD operations, I'll be showing you about Express, but still I'll be installing this. You can just see in my left hand side, a folder will be created known as Node modules. So let's see how can this be done. It will be taking some time. Okay guys, it is installing. Okay. Okay, you can just see in my left side panel, a folder has been created with node underscore modules. This is the main node module which we need to use in our Node.js file or project. Okay, sir. Now you can just see the version name, and when you see the package JSON, in the dependencies manager, you can just see Express and Node 1 has been installed. So guys, this is the first step in your installation or in your learning of Node.js project. I'll be creating an JavaScript file app.js whether to check whether it is working or not. You can write here anything. I'm just writing here console.log. Let's get started. Let's get started and just run this thing with Node. This is the command for running that project for any project in Node.js module app.js. You can just say, okay guys, we are finally ready for our Node.js module. So let's start with the next part of our code.